Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file the Statement of Information for your California LLC. First, understand that this filing keeps your business records current with the state. You'll need to determine if it's your initial filing or a biennial update. Begin by collecting all essential information about your LLC, including its official name, file number, and details of its managing members or managers. When completing the Statement of Information, you must accurately provide your LLC's full legal name and its unique file number issued by the California Secretary of State. Next, list the names and complete addresses for all managing members or managers. Don't forget to include the street address of your principal executive office and the name and address of your registered agent for service of process. You have two primary options for submitting your Statement of Information. You can file conveniently online through the California Secretary of State's website, which is often the quickest method. Alternatively, you may print and mail a paper form. Remember, a $1.20 filing fee is required, so ensure your payment is included or processed correctly to avoid delays or rejection. Remember to file your initial Statement of Information within 90 days of registering your LLC, and then biennially every 2 years thereafter. It's crucial to update your statement promptly if any of your LLC's information changes, such as a new address or manager. Staying compliant helps maintain your good standing. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your busy day, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.